Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What a crazy morning. Bryn's bus stopped at the end of the road when they're supposed to come down and pick them up at the house. And so I ended up having to drop Bryn, Aubrey, and Emmy off at school, which is fine. I don't have work today, so that's good. But I just got to Target. I was going to do a Target run later, but I was right by Target, so that's where I am. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to grab a few things that I need and probably stuff I don't need because it's Target. So here we go. Let's see what we find. I was in there for way longer than I expected. I ran into some of my friends and we chatted for probably like a half an hour. And then I just moseyed along. Spent $100 and something. I don't even know how. But I'll show you what I got. I didn't get a crazy amount of stuff. But I have my Starbucks. I decided to get it after. I usually get it before and then I walk around with it. But I get a iced chai with, this is a venti. I get a venti iced chai with 3 pumps brown sugar and pumpkin cold foam. It's delicious. It's not healthy, but it's delicious. Good. When I get home, I will show you what I got. Because it's just in the back right now. The back is such a mess. Okay, well, I was gonna go to TJ Maxx and I just don't feel like it now, so, because it's raining and I just want to go home because it is my day off and I sometimes like to just be home. I always like to be home actually, so here we go. We're gonna go home and then I will check back in and show you what I got. It's nothing exciting, but I figured I'd do a little day in the life vlog for you today. So here we go. All right, I am back from Target and I'm gonna show you what I got. First, got my Alani Nu. They had a 6-pack, so I said that's easier than getting the individual. Nice sweet boy. My dogs are in here, so if you can hear them. Dad was here. Come here, say hello. You big old boy. This is Oscar. He's my best boy in the whole world. He is an 11-and-a-half-year-old boxer. He is my baby. I love him so much. He's my baby. I love you. He goes where I go. Yeah. Anyways. So I got this little tree from like the dollar section. And I think it's $5. Yep. $5. And it comes with like a little tree stand and like little decorations. But I figured for Christmas it would look cute behind me. So that's the plan for that. I need to put some of this stuff in the fridge. Well, I guess just one thing. I got cheese. I'm gonna go put the cheese away. Okay. Put the cheese away. That's what I said. I got this necklace. I thought this was so cute. I hope it's 2. I tried to look and I didn't want to break the packaging, but I think it's 2 because I really wanted one like a thicker, but not too thick, to layer with my, you've probably seen it. It's like a little heart diamond and it has diamonds in it. My nanny who passed away gave me that. I think I was in high school. It was a ring and it dug into my finger. So we got it changed to a necklace. So I wanted something to layer that, and then I have a Bryn and Emmy necklace, and I thought that would look really cute with it. And then we have a Halloween party this Saturday. So I got some chocolate because I am making cake pops. I'm making little mummy cake pops. Reese needed some deodorant. This is the kind he gets, just the Swagger Old Spice. I got, what are these? Raisins. Little yogurt covered raisins for the girls. I'm literally just picking out of the bag. I forgot I got Kerrygold butter, so I need to go put that in the fridge too. There's not a ton in here, so. I got this Acure brightening facial scrub because I ran out of my other scrub, so hopefully this isn't too harsh on my skin, but I just felt like I needed another face scrub. Got Wraps. You don't know, you don't use these, you have to. They're like the carb balance ones. They're only 70 calories for one. Usually when we make tacos, I'll have like 2 tacos, and I use these, and it's just lower calories, so it's better. I had on my list that I needed makeup wipes, but I hear makeup wipes are like bad for your skin. Like, I know they're bad for your skin, but I always wash my skin after. But I'm gonna try this Garnier Skin Activate. Is it Micellar? Micellar water cleaner? No, Micellar cleaning water. All-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. And I use waterproof mascara, so I got this. Hopefully that'll be good, because I don't know. And then I just have little cotton rounds that I figure I'll take it off with. We'll see how that goes. And then I needed more of my Mighty Patch, the original, just, you know, for zits and stuff. And then I got some pumpkin chocolates for the girls and Reese. I got white pumpkin for me because I saw them and I said, those look good. You know, I'm not on a health journey right now. I should be, but I'm not. And then, oh, these socks. Okay, so I have the like short Ugg boots that have the fur on the side. And these Universal Thread, they're crew boot socks. I just got a few other pairs. They're so soft and cozy, and they're like $4. I mean, for one pair, but you know, whatever. They're so cozy, and they go up higher on your leg, and they're perfect. I love that. All right, and last thing. And then I got the Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub because my lips also need to be scrubbed. So, do you want to see something so cute? You want to show him how I hold you like a baby? Come here. Let's see if he'll let me do it, because I usually just pick him up and then we hold him like a baby. Hold him like a baby. Oh, you sweet baby Woodsie. He is obsessed. So I have my BCAAs in here, and the condensation, you're not going to be able to see, but he loves it. All right, I am back in my car. It's like in the afternoon now, and I'm at Emmy's school waiting for her. Then I'm going to pick up Bryn, and then we might go pick up Reese, and then go to Walmart because I need to get candy eyeballs for the cake pops that I'm making, because I'm making little mummies. So we might do that. I'm not really sure what the rest of the day has planned for us, but it's usually Wednesdays are no extra activities. We don't have to work, anything like that. So we usually just hang out as a family and just do whatever we want for the day. So Emmy will be getting out of here soon. I think like 10 minutes, maybe less. I don't even know what time it is, so. So we did just get this beautiful desk. It was on sale at Walmart.
and I thought it would look so cute as my background. So my husband just put it together, and it's like 7 o'clock at night, so I'm just going to end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!